Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. So as you can see, my hair is a little bit crazy right now, but we are going to do an insane transformation right now. So make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video, because this video is going to be really cool and I'm so excited. I'm gonna dye my hair and I'm gonna cut my hair. Oh my god, I'm just like, that's just crazy. Like, that is just crazy. Guys, when I hit 10,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do an insane giveaway. I didn't forget about that, so make sure that you subscribe. And thank you to everybody who has subscribed and has been, like, you know, commenting on my stuff. I always remember you guys, so thank you so much. But yeah, let's get right into this video. This video is gonna be super long, I already know, because I'm gonna cut my hair, I'm gonna dye my hair, I'm gonna curl it. I'm gonna show you guys what products I've been using to curl my hair. Oh my god, what a long video. So let's just get right into it. So as you guys can see, my hair has no product right now. I just washed it, let it air dry, and this is what my hair is looking like right now. My hair is curly. I mean, obviously right now it looks very poofy and doesn't look that great, but you know, when I do style it and curl it, it gets curly. It's like turning into a lighter brown, especially the ends, and I kind of don't love it, so I kind of want to make it a little bit darker. So I got this hair color. It is dark brown. I basically just want my hair to look like her hair. Like, how beautiful is she? Like, her hair color, her curls. So that's what we're going for today. So the first thing I'm gonna do is prep the hair dye. So I'm just gonna put the cream, the color cream, in the activator and mix it up. Okay, so I mixed it up, and I put this towel just so I wouldn't get anything on my shirt. And let's start putting this on my hair. So I'm actually going to apply from here first, like from the root, like that, and then I'm just like mixing it around, blending it, and then I'm going to continue with the back. So this I kind of just play it by like the touch, because obviously I can't really see the back of my hair, but it usually turns out really nice. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Just putting it on the roots right now, just blending it like this. So the good thing about this color is that it's very similar to my color right now, so even if I mess up, it won't be that noticeable. But just use clips to really separate everything. Wow, I look crazy. My hair's so poofy right now. But just use clips to really like separate everything. That should help a lot. Okay, so I totally messed up my shirt, which is very annoying because I really like this shirt, but it's fine. So now I did the roots on this side, so now I'm just going to kind of just put it all over my hair. I like to brush my hair so that all the products can get distributed evenly. And then whatever is left, you just put all over your hair and massage your scalp. Okay guys, so now I just have to wait about 15 minutes. I'm gonna wash my hair, rinse it, use the conditioner that came in the kit, and then I will be right back to show you guys how it all turns out. So when I come back, you're gonna see the final look. Well, not the final look, the color, and then we're gonna go on to the haircut, which is another crazy step. I'm nervous, but I'm excited. See you guys in a little bit. I'm back. So let me show you guys what my hair looks like. It looks very dark. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So it looks very dark, just how I wanted it. As you can see, the ends are not lighter than the rest of my hair. They're actually very dark. I'm loving it so far. So now let's get right into the haircut. So I'm just going to start with the bangs like this. I'm going to detangle my hair. So you want to make sure that you measure your hair with like your eyebrow. So like that and like that. I'm gonna brush it really nice. Like, make sure that you're brushing it super nice. So I'm gonna cut about that much. You see that? So I'm gonna take my scissors. I know these are not like professional like cutting scissors, but they work for me and they get the job done. So I'm just gonna cut about that much So since I have a straight haircut, I'm just going to do the front pieces of my hair. I'm not really going to cut the back because then it's going to look a little bit messed up because my haircut is already straight. Now I'm taking a smaller section from the bangs, like this. And I'm going to cut a little bit more so that the front looks a little bit shorter than the back section of my bangs. So like that. So as you can see, the front is a little bit shorter than the sides, so it's kind of like going down. You can cut it more if you want, but I just like it better when it's a little bit longer. So now I am pretty much done with my haircut. So now I'm going to curl my hair, and I'm going to show you guys the products that I use to curl my hair, and let's see how my hair looks when it's already dry. So the first thing I do is that I make sure that my hair is super wet. So I'm going to just wet it just a little bit more up here. So I'm going to use this Miss Jessie's Multicultural curls, and I'm going to use this to curl my hair. So I'm going to use about that amount, and I just spread it all over my hair. And now I'm going to use this DevaCurl Light Defining Gel. This is for defining the curls. So I use about that amount. Oh, this smells so good. Wow, my hair is gonna smell super good after this. I'm super excited. So I just put one side up, and I'm gonna use my Denman brush that I love. Oh my god, this is the best brush ever to define your curls. This helps so much with the frizz. Oh my god, I love it. You guys will see what I'm talking about. So I take section by section, and what I do is that I brush it like that. You see, oh my god, those are all curls that are gonna form. I'm so excited. So I brush it like that, and I like to flip the ends, and then I scrunch my hair. I can already tell my hair is gonna look so shiny. I'm so excited. So as you can see, the curls are forming. You see that? Super cute. Okay, so now that I use the brush on this side, I'm just gonna put a little bit more of the gel, DevaCurl gel, maybe like that much, and I'm just gonna use that to scrunch my hair. And I'm gonna do the same with this side. But as you can see, the hair is already looking pretty curly, so now we just gotta diffuse it. So what I like to do is flip my hair first and dry the back first and then the front. So I'll show you guys how I do that. Okay, so my hair is dry, mostly dry, but I just wanted to show you guys how my hair looks. Oh my god, I love this hair color. I am actually really digging this color. Like, I love it. Take a look at my curls. Very bouncy. Look at the bangs. They look pretty nice. I like them. Guys, check out the before shot. Like, look at my hair. Like, the ends look a lot lighter than the rest of my hair, and then I feel like the bangs look a little bit funny. I mean, obviously my hair was a lot more poofy in the before shot, so it is a big difference because of that as well. But just like, take a look at the color. Like, I love this color. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. I know it was a little bit long because I dyed my hair, I cut my bangs, and then I curled my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this very long video. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Guys, help me get to 10,000 subscribers. I just cannot wait. Like, I'm just super excited. Help me get there and subscribe. You won't regret it. You're gonna love all the videos that I'm gonna upload. And stay tuned because I have a lot of interesting videos coming up. And if you like this video, then I'm sure you're gonna like these videos as well. So make sure you go ahead and check out those videos. Bye guys, love you.